The next problem, we need to graph 4 plus 2 sine of x minus pi. First, find the amplitude and the period. This is a typical graph of sine. Period is 2 pi. Now, graph 2 sine of x. First, use the typical values of x that you already know. Start with 0 and count by halves of pi. Then the first is pi over 2. The next is pi. Next is 3 halves of pi. And the last is 2 pi. Now, write the typical values of sine. Also, you already know these values. Start with 0. The next is 1. The next is 0. Next is negative 1. And the last is 0. Now, our function says 2 sine of x. What you do? Multiply by 2 the previous values. Now, find all the points for the graph. Use the top and the bottom values. Now find all the values inside the graph. Connect all the points. And that is 2 sine of x. Now, we have 2 different shifts. One horizontal. The horizontal is given by negative pi. The negative means we have to move to the right pi units. Now connect all the points. And the blue graph is 2 sine of x minus pi. Now we have a plus 4. Plus 4 means we have to move up the graph. All the graph has to move up 4 units. Now connect all the points. And the green graph is 4 plus 2 sine of x minus 5. Again, the original graph had to move to the right 5 units and after move up 4 units. The green graph is the final graph.